Yes. Yes. No. Well, I bought a bunch of these this week, so I thought I could do a special edition video. I'm sure plenty of you are aware of these, but this is a banquet meal. The total cost for this is 99 cents. And that is perfectly fine because it comes with chicken nuggies and mac and cheese and a brownie. So what more could you ask for $1? When I first was living on my own, this is literally all I would eat because I was poor. So this is your cheap dining special edition. I'll show you how great these are. They're the best thing ever. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. From here, our ingredients are what ingredients? It's just the box. Hey, who took all my aluminum foil? So this is about as lazy as you can get. But I like these. Don't make fun of me. I like to take the chicken nuggets out because then they can cook a little bit easier. And as you can see, I just kind of peel the film back a little bit to leave the mac and cheese covered, since that's what the directions say. You don't want to dry it out because that's what happens if you leave it open. And yeah, then we just bake this for 25 minutes. So no utensils necessary yet. There it is, our microwave dinner. Yay! And that's pretty much it. I don't really need to show you anything else. So enjoy your $1 box dinners.